Here are the top 3 best contact manager apps for Android that help you organize, backup, and find your contacts instantly. Clean, fast, and super easy to use. Let's jump straight into the ranking. At number 3, this is the contact app that might completely replace your phone's default dialer. Wait, don't scroll yet, because Simple Contacts is seriously underrated. With a 4.6 rating and over 10 million installs, this app is built for one thing: making your contacts cleaner, faster, and way easier to manage. Here's what makes it stand out. First, it's ultra lightweight. No heavy load, no lag, just a smooth and clean contact book that opens instantly. It automatically syncs and backs up your contacts, so every new number you save is safely stored without you lifting a finger. You can also export everything in VCF format, making switching phones or restoring data super simple. But it gets even better. You can create groups for family, friends, or work and send messages or emails to everyone at once. No more scrolling forever to find people. It also supports smart filtering, duplicate merging, and powerful search that finds contacts instantly, even if you only remember part of a name. And if privacy matters to you, this app works offline with no internet access needed, keeping your data more secure. Plus, you get full customization, dark mode, layout controls, and what happens when you tap a contact. So, yeah, this isn't just a contacts app, it's a full upgrade. Next, number 2, this is Contacts Plus, a powerful contact manager app with a 4-star rating and over 10 million downloads. But this is not your regular phone book. This is built for people who live on connections. Imagine this: you meet someone, scan their business card, and before you even finish your coffee, that contact is already saved, organized, and synced everywhere you use it. That's what Contacts Plus does best. It connects your contacts across Google, iCloud, Outlook, and Microsoft 365 so your data stays identical on every device without you lifting a finger. It also uses smart AI to clean up your contact list, removing duplicates, filling missing info like job titles, photos, and company details, and keeping everything updated automatically. And it gets even more useful. You get caller ID for unknown numbers, spam blocking, smart search, speed dial, and reminders so you never forget birthdays or important people. This is why professionals like recruiters, sales teams, and real estate agents rely on it daily, because one lost contact can mean a lost opportunity. And it works everywhere: Android, iPhone, web, even desktop. Finally, number 1, it's the Contacts app rated 4.5 stars with billions of installs and trusted worldwide. This isn't just a phone book, it's a full smart contact system. Every contact you save gets automatically backed up to your Google account. So even if you lose your phone, your numbers don't disappear. Switching to a new device, everything syncs instantly. No manual work, no stress. And here's where it gets better. It helps you clean your contacts too. Duplicate numbers, it merges them. Old messy list, it organizes everything into work, personal, and more. You can also edit details in seconds: names, emails, photos. Everything feels smooth and fast. Deleted something by mistake? Don't panic. You can recover contacts from the bin within 30 days. Plus, it keeps you connected with smart reminders, birthdays, anniversaries, and important updates right when you need them. That's why millions rely on it daily. It turns a messy contact list into a clean, powerful, always ready system that just works. And if you're using Wear OS, you can even access your favorite contacts straight from your watch. That's the top 3 contact manager apps for Android. Which one are you using right now? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and follow for more useful app rankings like this.